All right, guys, so we're going to be covering the week of July 20th. On Monday, what you're going to be doing A and B. So we have the front squats and the box jumps. On advanced, you're going to be doing 1 1/4 front squats. We did these a couple weeks back. I want you guys to try to PR for this. So 2 2 2 1 1 1. For intermediate and beginner, you're going to be working with the tempos, and it's either threes or sixes. With the box jumps, you're only doing 5 reps for all the levels. Try to go as high as you possibly can. Make sure safety is always in mind, so use the black plyo boxes if you need to, the foam ones, just so that if you need to crash down onto your shins, it doesn't hurt at all. You're going to be good for failing. It won't hurt at all, as opposed to the wood, which will. Metcon, what we have here, 75 handstand push-ups, 75 pike push-ups, or 75 push-ups. Every time that you stop a set, you're going to go out, you're going to run 200 meters. There's going to be a 16-minute time cap for this. So pick your sets appropriately. Don't try to go out of the gate with a massive set and then you start turning into like maybe singles or doubles. That's not going to work very well. You're going to be doing a lot of running. What we do on Tuesday is bench press with that pause for the advanced intermediate, so 2-2-X1. And your Metcon is going to be 4-time complete the 800-meter run, 30 alternating dumbbell snatches, the push-ups, 20 alternating dumbbell snatches, push-ups, 10, and then 30 push-ups again. So we have the run at the end to finish that off. For this one, just go hard. The weights aren't crazy for the dumbbell snatches, so you're doing a lot of volume on that. There's really not a ton of push-ups. There's 60 push-ups, but it's broken up pretty well for that. So you're going to be doing a lot of these. I noticed there's a lot of people having issues with this, so I'm trying to program them a lot, which is why they're back-to-back weeks and days as well. Overhead squats for Wednesday, high volume here as well. So 10s and 12s for advanced intermediate, and beginners, the overhead lunges, sets of 8 per side, so 16 in total. The Metcon, you have actually options here for which one you're going to choose, depending on strength as well as mobility and whatnot. So the first one is more for the advanced people. It's 3 rounds for time, 21 deadlifts, and 7 overhead squats. You have to pick a weight that you only can use 1 bar for. So if your overhead squat is the weak point, which it should be lower than your deadlift by a lot, you need to kind of pick a weight that's going to be tough, but that you can overhead squat properly and do 7 reps of that, or 21 in total, really. The other one is the exact same amount of deadlifts, so it's 21, but it's 14 front squats. Those are more for the beginner or anyone with any sort of shoulder issue that needs to modify that. Again, using 1 bar. On Thursday, we have shoulder press first, then push press after that. Your Metcon is 3 rounds for time, 15 pull-ups, run 400 meters, 15 shoulder to overhead. Lighter weight, so some of you, majority of you, might be able to actually hit this unbroken for the shoulder to overhead. Bang through that, hit your pull-ups fast, and then get on that run quick. This should be a very fast workout. Friday, what we have going on is front squats and strict push, so either ring dips, bar dips, or push-ups again. What we have for your Metcon is a 10-minute AMRAP of power snatches, box jumps, and push-ups. More push-ups, push-ups, push-ups. This is good for you guys. You need to get this work in. If you're going to be doing beginner, it's fine. Dumbbell alternating snatches, again with those. So twice this week. And then pick your rep ranges for your push-ups. So between 5 to 10 on that one. So I've given you guys rep ranges for those, except for the advanced, it's 15. On Saturday, we were doing a complex for advanced intermediate, so power clean plus a hang power clean, 2-2-2, 1-1-1. The hang power clean, obviously, is the one that's going to dictate what weight you use, so try to go as heavy as you possibly can for that movement. And then hang power clean just for beginner. On the Metcon side, it's 10 unbroken hang power cleans, so pick a weight that you can do this unbroken. It has to be unbroken. I put an asterisk here. If the movements aren't done unbroken, you need to start the movement over. So if you're at 8 and you just drop the bar, you just start from 0. So that's just making sure that you guys scale appropriately for that. Then we have 15 unbroken kettlebell swings. Same thing. 1.5 or 1 pood. Onto the Airdyne for 15 or 12 calories for men and women. And then rest 1 minute. 3 rounds of that. Go hard. We had the one a couple weeks back with the Airdyne with the rest 1 minute. People hated that. They weren't expecting it to hurt so bad. But whenever there's the Airdyne and the rest, you know it's going to hurt because you're able to push yourself. That's it for this week, and we'll see you in the gym.